Today, in this video lecture, we will start from the topic potential difference. In previous lecture, we discussed about the current and charge, but some points we have discussed. Potential difference is an energy which is used to transmit a charge from one point to another point. Suppose that it is a wire and electron at this cross section. We want to transmit it to terminal second. So we have to apply an external energy to transmit this electron. That energy is used to transmit this electron is called potential difference. And in another way, suppose that these lines are electric lines. Suppose, only imagine it. These lines are electric lines and electron is situated here. We want to transmit this electron from point A to point B. So, if we go to transmit this electron, we will work against the electric field for a particular charge. So, potential difference is denoted by V, that is equal to total work done per unit charge is called potential difference. इसका मतलब है इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी तक इसको ट्रांसमिट करने के लिए जितना वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा पर यूनिट चार्ज के लिए, दैट इज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. सो फॉर्मूला फॉर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V equals to W upon Q, where W equals to total work done, and Q equals to total charge transferred. For example, suppose 1 coulomb of charge we have to transmit, and total work done to transmit this electron is 1 joule. So the potential difference will be 1 volt, because in previous video lecture we discussed the unit of volt is the unit of potential difference is volt. So if W equals to 1 joule and Q that is equal to 1 coulomb, in this session V equals to W upon Q, that is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb, that is equal to 1 volt. So we can make a definition for potential difference 1 volt. Now, what is the definition of 1 volt? Remember that volt is the unit of potential difference. Right here, volt. In this formula, when we put W equals to 1 joule and Q equals to 1 coulomb, so the result is 1 volt. So we can say as a definition, when 1 joule of work is done to transmit 1 coulomb of charge is called 1 volt. So if 1 joule of work is done to transmit 1 coulomb of charge is called 1 volt. That is the definition of 1 volt. Actually volt is the unit, और ये एक साइंटिस्ट थे वोल्ट, उन्हीं के नाम पर ये यूनिट पड़ी हुई है, क्योंकि उन्होंने सबसे पहले इस फॉर्मूले को डिस्कवर करके दिया था। तो एक क्वेश्चन अभी हम लोग कर लेते हैं कि ये वोल्ट पर एक क्वेश्चन रहेगा। सपोज दैट कि इलेक्ट्रॉन इज सिचुएटेड इन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड द टोटल चार्ज Q equals to 5 coulomb and total work done W equals to 2 joule. So find out the potential difference. So we know that V equals to W upon Q. Now put the values. W equals to 2 joule and total amount of charge is 5 coulomb. So right here 5 coulomb, that is V. So overall answer is 0.4 volt. This is energy that is used to transmit this electron from one point to another point. So in next example, find the total work done to transmit 6 coulomb of charge by applying 3 volt potential difference. So for the solution, we know that V equals to W upon Q, but in question W is asking and Q is given, that is 6 coulomb, and also potential difference is given, that is 3 volt. Now V equals to W upon Q, so we can write here V into Q, that is equal to W, and W equals to V, that is 3 volt, into Q, that is 6 coulomb. Overall answer is 18 joule, because coulomb is the unit of charge and volt is the unit of potential difference. So coulomb into volt, that is equal to joule, and joule is the unit of work. So next question is that suppose that there is a wire and total current I equals to 3 ampere is flowing from point A to B, which is the terminals of this wire. At point A, the potential difference, that is equal to 2 volt, and there is point B, terminal B. At this point, the potential difference, that is equal to 1 volt. Always remember that current will flow from lower potential to always electrons will flow, or you can say charge will flow from higher potential to lower potential. If there is a 2 volt and I am writing here 5 volt, so potential is greater of B than A. So electrons will flow from B to A. This is the direction of flow of charge, but this is the direction of current, because we know that the current will flow opposite direction towards the motion of the charge. So if ये इलेक्ट्रॉन इस डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहा है तो इसके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में करंट फ्लो होगी. So that is the concept. In this case, find if the value of charge is 3 coulomb, so find the total work done. Total work done. Now V equals to W upon Q. Remember that if we are going to two terminals which have different voltages, so V is the potential difference from the charge is transmitting from point B to A. So last point A and initial point is B. So VB minus VA, that is equal to W upon Q, and in this manner W equals to VB minus VA into Q. So put all these values, VB that is equal to 5 minus VA that is equal to 2 volt into value of charge is 3 coulomb. So overall work done W equals to 5 minus 2 is 3 into 3, that is equal to 9 joule. That is the answer of your question. And in this manner, next video I will discuss about the relation between current and voltage, which states by Ohm's law, and next term resistivity and so on. Thank you.